This video may save you from becoming the next victim. Criminals are using normal apps to track, scam, and target people. Some of these apps are on your phone, and you may not even know. Before we begin the full story, this channel takes hours of research and careful verification to bring you real crime stories that matter. We invest in tools, software, and time to ensure every detail is accurate and meaningful. If you support this work, help us reach 1,000 subscribers this week. Subscribe, like, share. Now back to story. These crimes happened recently, and some criminals were never caught, from dating traps to hidden spy apps. These 5 dangerous apps are shocking. Let's start with number 5. Number 5. Fake dating app trap. He matched with her online. She looked friendly and normal. They talked for a few days, then she asked to meet. He agreed without hesitation. That decision changed everything. She sent him a location, a quiet area outside the city. He thought it was strange, but still decided to go. When he arrived, she was already waiting. Suddenly 2 men appeared. They surrounded his car, took his phone immediately, forced him to unlock banking apps, transferred money instantly, then they disappeared. Police later investigated. The dating profile was fake. Photos were stolen online. Multiple victims were targeted. All through fake dating apps, the criminals vanished. Number 4. Fake delivery app. It started with a simple message: "Your delivery is arriving today." Click link to confirm address. Everything looked normal, even the company logo, but it was a trap. He clicked the link, entered his personal details, then bank verification code. Within minutes, money started disappearing. Account completely emptied. Police discovered the link was fake. Criminals created copy website. Thousands of victims clicked. Many lost savings, all through fake delivery apps. Number 3. Location sharing trap. She met someone online. He seemed friendly and polite. They talked for weeks. Then he asked something strange: "Share your live location." She didn't think much. He tracked her movements, learned her daily routine, knew when she left home, and when she returned. One night, someone broke into her house. Police later discovered the suspect was the same person. He used location sharing to plan the robbery. Everything was carefully planned through one simple app. Number 2. Spy app job scam. He received job offer message: work from home opportunity, high salary promised. Just install this app. Complete verification process. He installed it immediately. The app asked permissions, camera access, microphone access, file access. He allowed everything without realizing danger. Days later, his bank account was hacked. Private photos leaked, messages accessed. Everything was recorded secretly. It was spyware. Number 1. Secret chat app crime. Police were investigating scams, but criminals stayed hidden. No phone calls, no normal messages. Everything is done secretly. Through encrypted apps, they planned robberies, shared victim details, sent fake links, and deleted messages, leaving no trace. Police struggled to track them. Eventually, one mistake happened. One criminal forgot to hide location. Police tracked him and uncovered entire network. But many criminals escaped. Still active today, these apps look normal, but criminals misuse them. Stay careful when installing apps. Avoid unknown links. Never share location blindly. Always stay alert, because of one small mistake can expose your personal life, your money, your privacy, your safety, all at risk. If this shocked you, subscribe to Mr. Mindspark Crime Files, because more real crime stories are coming next. Stay alert, stay safe. If justice still matters to you, subscribe and stand with us, because silence helps criminals. Every story deserves to be heard. Every victim deserves justice. Stay aware, stay safe.